हाय, नमस्कार। मैं डॉक्टर वेद प्रकाश। रीडू कार्डियक सर्जरी। Redo cardiac surgery refers to the surgery on the patient who has underwent previously one or more cardiac surgeries. Increasing life expectancy and better primary surgical outcomes leads to more and more redo cardiac surgeries. However, redo cardiac surgery remains one of the most challenging part of cardiac surgery. Redo cardiac surgery is a high risk surgeries. Why? Because previous surgery leads to formation of fibrosis and adhesions in between heart and sternum, heart, great vessels and their ventricles. So in redo surgeries, re-entry to the sternum leads to injury of these great vessels, previous graft or chambers of the heart, and it will lead to catastrophic bleeding and injury. Redo cardiac surgery risk of re-entry means once we go for a redo sternotomy, that will lead to injury to previous graft, major vessels and some chambers of the heart, and that will lead catastrophic bleeding and sometime death also. Anatomy is usually altered after previous surgeries like patches which was used in previous surgery, graft and conduits that will lead to altered anatomy of the heart in redo surgeries, and it will cause major changes in surgical planning in redo cases. Many redo heart surgery patients have reduced heart function. Most of them are pulmonary hypertensive, reduced or deranged renal function, and all these leads to perioperative increased risk of morbidity and mortality. Redo cardiac surgery patients have longer operative durations and bypass times because dissection in redo patient takes time and there is also a possibility of bleeding. So the cross clamp time, bypass time is usually longer in that patients. To overcome all these risks, we have to experience surgical management. For this, we have to decide when to intervene, whether it is required or not. For this, specialized surgical management is required. Preoperative planning in redo cardiac surgery is very important. HRCT chest is very important as it gives us idea about retrosternal space and in which plane we have to go. Coronary angiograms, cath studies and echocardiogram give us map to adhesions and in which plane we have to go. And all these things makes redo cardiac surgery safer. Experienced and a coordinated cardiac team is required for redo cardiac surgery, like experienced anesthetists, perfusionists, intensive cares, and nursing staffs. All these make a team for redo cardiac surgeries. And last but not the least, post-operative care is very important in these cases, and which is required intensive care, nursing, and of course, all these efforts make a redo cardiac surgery safe with better outcome. Thank you.